You'll need some string, 4mm macrame cord, and a cinnamon stick. Fold the 60cm length of cord in half. Take the folded end, put it behind your cinnamon stick, and then take the other ends, pull it through that opening, and pull it snug to make a lark's head knot. I'm going to loosen it a little bit. I have a 50cm string folded in half. I'm going to take it behind in between those two cords and pull it up through the middle and take the ends through the loop and pull that snug. You're going to use that to hang this later on. You want that in the middle of your cinnamon stick. Pull it snug, then pull the lark's head knot tight around that new string. If it's not centered, move it into the center. Take an 80cm length of cord and fold it so the shorter length is about 25 centimeters and the other longer length is about 55 centimeters. You want the longer length on the inside. Place your cinnamon stick over that and then pull the ends through the loop. I'm going to make a little knot on this string. And I'm going to pin that down to make it easier to do the project. So skip the first cord. The next cord, have it laying over those two strings. Take the next cord over, place it over that cord, around the back, through the opening, and pull that snug to the top. Using the same cord, go over that cord again, around the back, and through the opening. This is a double half hitch knot. Hold that cord over the next cord, take it around and over, and back through the loop. Pull it snug and do it again, over, around the back, and through. Now take this cord, go over the cinnamon stick, around the back, through that opening, pull it over to that other cord, pull it a bit, take it again, this time go around the back of the cinnamon stick and over and down through the loop. Now you've done a lark's head knot again. Take a 60cm length and have one end 20 centimeters and the other length 40. Have the longer length on the inside. Place that behind the cinnamon stick, pull over and down through the loop. Pull that snug to make a lark's head knot. Take that first one out of the way, take the next one, hold it over the cord to the left, take that cord over top, around the back, and through the opening. Pull that snug. Take it again, over, around the back, and through the opening. So that's another double half hitch knot. Go to the next cord and do the same thing. Take a 50cm length, fold it in half equally. Take the loop behind the cord and over. Take the ends up through the loop and pull down. That's going to mimic the look of a double half hitch knot. Take that cord, take the next cord around and do a double half hitch knot. And do the same thing with the next cord. Take the end over the cinnamon stick, pull it around the back and up through that opening. Pull it snug. Now take it behind the cinnamon stick, over and through that opening, and you've made another lark's head knot. Take a 60-centimeter length, and one end just needs to be quite short and the other end is long. The long end is on the inside. Place it behind the cinnamon stick. Take the cords and put them through the loop. Pull that snug to make a lark's head knot. And now going to the right, do double half hitch knots. Take a 20-centimeter length, fold it in half equally, place it over the cord, pull the ends around the back and pull them through. Make sure they're nice and snug. And now do double half hitch knots all the way to the other side. Take the end over the cinnamon stick, around the back and through the opening. Pull it tight, bring it over, around the back and over and down through the opening. And pull that tight. And now I'm going to just trim it up with some scissors. Comb out the fringe. And then give it a final trim.